if I'm not careful, I might just slide. It's so cool. Ooh. Oh my god. This is so cool. Stars, I'm a fool for your love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am right in front of my apartment, and guess what? It was snowing earlier, so I just put on my clothes and I just came outside because I wanted to see, like, you know, to just dwell in it. I'm gonna walk down the road a little, but geez, like, I probably need to put on my water boot because this is very slippery, very slippery. So yes, let me just tell you how bipolar this weather is. So yesterday it was literally like 22 degrees. Yesterday it was very, very hot. Well, not really hot, but hot for like probably the hottest day since this spring. And then today it's now 1 degrees. Like, how do you jump from 22 degrees to 1 degree and snow? I don't know, but this is how it is. I'm gonna walk up the road a little so that you guys can see, but I have to be very careful. I probably should have put on water shoes. I'm gonna walk up a little. It's like it's raining now, so it has stopped snowing and now it's raining, but I'm super excited. Probably gonna be like, why are you excited for the snow? But I don't see snow often. So cool, guys, so cool. The shoes that I have on, it's getting wet because it's not like the water type of shoes. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna change my shoes and then come back on the road. Shoes is getting wet. I have to be very careful how I walk because the ground now is very slippery. I'm going back into my apartment to change my shoes because I don't want to slide. I want to just walk around the neighborhood and see how it looks, you know, before the ice melts on the ground. I went to put on my water boots so that I can actually step on the ice without my feet getting wet. So I'm gonna walk up the road a little. I'm gonna just show you guys like how it looks. Snowing in Japan. Like, this is so crazy because it's March. I don't even know what date it is. Probably March. Let me check. I don't know. I can't check on my phone right now because I'm recording, but I think it's March 28th. It's Sunday, and yeah, Sunday in March. It's spring and it's snowing. Even in winter it didn't snow like this, so it's just so weird that it's snowing in spring. Let me show you the roof. Look at these rooftops. Crazy, right? When I'm going to work, I can take this road or this road. This road is a longer way, and I found this shortcut. I'm gonna run across. Don't follow me, guys. I'm gonna just walk and let you guys see how my neighborhood looks. Like, I never, look at this, I never actually go out like this and just explore unless I am going out for, like, I'm going to the supermarket or I'm actually leaving my area. That's the only time I actually just take a walk. Look at these cars. Snow is all the way. My fingers are freezing. I should have worn gloves. But look at the train track. I was supposed to go to work yesterday, which was Saturday, but because of the whole coronavirus thing and we're told to stay home, my classes got cancelled. And then today I had another job and that also got cancelled. Not a teaching job, but yeah, that got cancelled. But this is actually a blessing in disguise because people aren't really taking this C thing, the C virus thing serious, because we're supposed to be staying home unless you know you have to go on the road. People are still viewing like cherry blossom, you know, which I know is a big part of Japanese culture, but also you have to remember your safety. But anyways, I'm gonna probably head back because my fingers are freezing. So I'm gonna turn back. Let me turn back. Yeah, because I'm cold. Oh my god, my fingers. I need to put this in my pocket. Look at this car. Yeah. Snowing in March. Can you believe it? Like January and February are supposed to be the coolest months. Train. I'm so glad I don't have work today, because I would not want to be out in this weather. Even though I'm outside now, but I mean like out as in out working. Because right now I'm heading back to my apartment. I wanted to go to the supermarket today because I need to stock up on stuff. I have like 2.5 weeks worth of groceries, but I want to get some more just in case there's a lockdown in Japan. I want to be prepared. So I wanted to go to the supermarket today, but there's no way I'm going to the supermarket now because like I am freezing. Oh my god, freezing. I need to take a thumbnail picture. Alright, so I took some thumbnail pictures because I'm gonna edit this picture. I'm gonna edit this video right now and upload so you guys can see what I've been up to. So this is gonna be like a very short video. At the ground. My god, my hand is freezing. My hand is freezing. Look at these cars. Snow is all over. I have to be very careful because I don't want to slide in this ice. This is like just ice. Look at this. Ice. Walking in ice water. So cool. Look at the light pole. Ice on the light pole. Wow. Ice on the trees. I really would like to walk down that way, but my fingers aren't giving me like the chance because it's freezing. Where you see that orange building, that's where my supermarket is. It's about 10 minutes walk from here, but there's no way I'm going there today because I can't bother. My fingers are freezing. I don't want to be out in this cold. Tomorrow it should be a lot warmer, so I'll wait until tomorrow. Let's hope that the things aren't completely sold out by then. So if they are, then such is life. Let me run across this road. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be heading back into my apartment and editing this video so I can upload it pretty soon. I'm gonna be recording like a video tomorrow if I go to the supermarket. Tomorrow's gonna be Monday for me, probably Sunday for you guys. Stocking up on some more items, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys, bye.